Hello guys, today I'm gonna take an interview from my student. The question should be about family, friends, about leisure, about holiday, about school. Hello, how are you?
Hi, I am good.
Okay, so what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Jamalbe. I'm from Tajikistan.
Sounds good. And what do you do? Are you a doctor, pupil?
I am a doctor.
You are a doctor, okay? And do you want to be a doctor in the future?
Yes, I want to be a doctor in the future.
Very good. Okay, so what school do you go right now? You go to school number 1, 2, 3, 50?
I study at school number 50.
Okay, so can you tell me something about your school? Your school is big or small?
My school is big.
Okay, very good. Do you have a big family or small family?
My family is small.
How many people live in your family? 4, 5, how many people?
For my people,
4 people in your family. Okay, how many brothers do you have?
I have one brother.
And how many sisters do you have?
I have two sisters.
Okay, very good. Sometimes the question should be mixture, but it's okay for the student because the student will be a little bit stressed. Okay, so we will go the question about the school, right? So your school is beautiful or not beautiful?
My school is beautiful.
Okay, very good. Do you go to school in the morning or in the afternoon?
I go to school in the morning.
It's very nice. And how many pupils study in your class, not school? How many pupils study in your class? For example, 20, 25, how many pupils?
In stay pupil
In my class.
in my class.
So you can say 30 pupils studies in my class, right? And how many girls, how many boys?
There are 16 girls and 14 boy. 14 boy.
14 boys, it sounds good. And do you go to school every day?
Yes, I go to school every day.
It's very good. What country do you like to travel?
I go to Dubai and another country
Okay, why do you want to go to Dubai? Why?
because I like go to Dubai
And see
and see
Burj Khalifa, right?
Burj Khalifa.